Hey YouTube, cool with your son, and today guys I'm back with another YouTube video. Today guys I'm here playing Left4dead 2. It's a fun game. I am Nick, I think, yeah. We are playing single player, so control improves accuracy. I think pistols have an infinite ammo. Snipe. That's a hunter. Oh, jockey. Oh. Get off of me. Try to charge me. Thanks. Hello. How are you? Hey, dude, you okay? Dude, talk to me. Dude, it's okay. It's okay. Guys, this guy's with us. Oh God. Hey, what's up? Why are you charging me? Oh God, I killed someone. It's not good. It's not good at all. Hey man, help. Girl. Oh, that's a charger. That was a charger. I know it hurts to be shot. Ooh, get away! Get away! That's a spitter. I'm sorry. Move. I want to show the spitter. God! Are you guys really gonna do this mid-recording? This is how ugly spitters look. Hey, bro. Hey. Grr. Yeah, I don't care about adrenaline. Oh, boomer. Ah! I want that. There is a chain. Oh, yo. Chain. Ah! Ah! Yo, get off of me. Oh God, I can't see anything. That was a boomer, guys. The big fat thing. Yo, this chainsaw is awesome.